Hello Royal family, welcome back to Glam Queen of Decor, and if you're new, welcome. Today's vlog video is a Glam DIY glitter centerpiece and also a Glam fall tablescape. If that sounds interesting, make sure you stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright Royal family, we're going to get this video started. Now you guys, this is going to be very simple and self-explanatory. Follow me along as we glitter this base for our tablescape.
What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?
And if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, welcome to Glam Queen of Decor. Now you may be asking, what do you get here on the Glam Queen of Decor? We do all things glam style. We do room tours and room stylings, tablescapes, entryway and mantel stylings. We do home decor shopping, anything you guys that's home decor related, you do get it here on the Glam Queen of Decor. We upload on Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We do upload on other days as well as part of a collaboration, and some days just to give you some bonus inspiration. Now, if all that sounds interesting, please don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel. Tap that notification bell twice. It turns blue and you'll know every time that we are uploading. And if one of our regular upload days come around and you haven't been notified, please stop by the channel so you can get some home decor glam inspiration. And also to my Glam family, all of our DIYs is featured on our DIY channel, and that channel is Glam Queen DIY. If you're not a part of that family, make sure you do subscribe. That link is down in the description, and on that Glam Queen DIY channel, you guys, our name says it all. You get Glam DIYs. We also do a little bit of budget renovations on that channel as well, so make sure you do become a part of that family. And if you do, just let me know you are coming over from the Glam Queen of Decor. Also, don't forget So please share the Glam Queen of Decor and the Glam Queen of the DIY, you guys, with your family and friends. That's how we continue to grow. And thanks to each and every one of you for your continued love and support.